Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing one. 5.2 mm veg tan leather because it bonds and molds predictably. Cut a 100 x 70 mm rectangle for a single card wallet. Mark the card pocket and the Magsafe puck position about 28-30 mm from the top. Once done, sand and bevel roughly 0. 5 mm off the edges to avoid bulky seams. Make sure to condition very lightly. Excess oil prevents glue from sticking. Now align pieces for the first glue. Once surfaces are tacked, you press the leather together firmly, starting at one edge and rolling toward the other to avoid bubbles. This gives a clean seam for stitching. Next, mark and punch stitching holes at about 3 mm spacing with a pricking iron or rotary punch so stitches pull evenly. Use a saddle stitch and 0.8 mm thread. Go slow so both sides tension equally. Make sure to backstitch the ends and trim the thread flush. Burnish the seam for a professional finish. You recess the Magsafe puck into a shallow cavity about 1.5 mm so the finished wallet sits flat against the phone. This prevents a lopsided feel. Once aligned, secure the puck with adhesive and either 2 to 3 tiny stainless screws or a high-strength epoxy for a permanent bond. Then finish by burnishing edges, applying edge paint, and inspecting stitching and glue lines. If alignment fails, reglue and realign before epoxy sets. It's the one fix that saves the whole build.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.